house say what? Can you go through the bag? Can you go through? You're just gonna stay in there, aren't you? Oh, yay! Good job, Popcorn. Okay, Nacho.
There we go. I'll put one in the bag. Look what's in there. Look. If they can get it out. I'll put the thing in there. See if they can get it out of there.
Oh, this will be funny. What do you smell? What do you smell?
Your feet.
My feet don't stink. Ooh, something smell good in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, yay! Nacho, don't you dare steal that from him. Okay, now put it for Nacho. Go on, Nacho. Go get it. Don't focus on the cardboard. Focus on the carrot.
Who's making that noise, huh?
Yeah. No, baby. No, baby. It's in the tube. You can get out of there, you know. You don't have to chew it.
First time I see him close his eyes.
Are you eating that?
I think it's popcorn making it. Is popcorn making that noise?
No, I think it's Nacho. 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 It's okay. Look at the carrot. It's in there. No, you're so close. You're so close. Don't steal popcorns.
Nacho. Oh.
Popcorn, there's another one in there.
Popcorn, look here.
Yeah. You're stepping all over your carrot, man. Did he get it?
You get it? It's on the other side, popcorn. Look. Here, look. There you go. Here, popcorn. Look. There you go.
Nacho, don't you dare steal it from him again.
Interesting. Popcorn is the smarter one, definitely. Don't you think?
Yeah. Not just like the big bully that's not very smart. But Popcorn's the nerd. Who occasionally stands up to the bully. Right, Popcorn?
You want to put this like this?
Sur le top.
So now they can get through both sides. Once they're done fighting over the carrots.
Just get a look in here. Just get a look in here. I can't see anything. Got caught. Hi, Popcorn. Popcorn, come here. Go through the bag. Here, puppy. Hey, puppy. Crawling over my toes. Are you crawling over my toes? Okay, puppy. Puppy. Right? Ready? No. Okay. Just put my phone on my lap. Okay, and switch hands. Okay, ready? Go through. Good boy. Good boy. Yay. Oh, can you just feel the excitement of that? Wasn't that so fun? Nacho, come out and say hi. Come here, Nacho. You're gonna go through the bag now, huh? You ready, Nachi? You ready? Okay. Oh, quick action, popcorn. Gonna knock it over, popcorn? Oh gosh, Nacho. Okay, ready? To the bag you go. Good boy. Good boy, Nacho. Oh, I got you with pod. Nacho, come here. Investigate a little more. Okay, guys, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.